hardware. I'm excited for this one. My MRP, this is episode 4, and today we're installing one thing and one thing only. Artwork Body Shop just dropped this. When I did the paint correction on this car, I was mad because the OEM had some nicks in it. You guys would never see them on camera until I got up close like this, but it bothers me. And it was pretty loose on this side, so I'm like, okay, either a bolt down there is broken. In our last video with the Amazon haul, we got a new license plate covered tray, paint corrected it, got rid of the rust right here, because this is a new one, and we painted the rusted ones up here black. LED reverse lights and LED license plate lights. Looking good, looking good. Can't believe Artwork Body Shop is still making parts for our cars. Every time they do this, bro, I'm like, thank you. He's like, hey, we get all the support from third gen owners. It's because we ain't got nothing, bro. This is the best we got. My rear lip, we got it paint matched. Big shout out to Artwork Body Shop for continuing to make parts for our cars. They got a ton of styles to release these in. We got a matte black, gloss black, paint matched option, carbon. I'm pretty sure there is a matte carbon and a gloss carbon. I'm not too sure on pricing. Speaking of the gloss black one, we are giving one away. We partnered with Artwork Body Shop to give one away. Only $5 for entry. All the details will be at the end of the video. Little POV install for you guys. We already pulled the carpet lining on the trunk because there's gonna be a couple of bolts you need to remove. These studs right here go to the spoiler. Pretty sure they're 8 millimeters. There's 2. Should do it. Don't want to damage our paint corrected trunk. Line stick. Very nice. Gotta get this thing cleaned up. Optimum no rinse. We don't want the rocks all over the place. Okay, now we actually gonna clean this stuff up. Looks like the paint match is pretty good. Maybe a tad darker. This is OEM, it's been sitting in the sun. A little bit of correction compound. Clean up this black line. What is this thing gonna look like? It has a nice little bend to it. Ooh, it's gonna look good. There we go. All right, final alcohol wipe down. All right, we got our 3M peeled on the corners. One more. Okay. Next, the hard part is gonna be lining up these holes and being able to hold it at the same time. In this bag, we got 6 10 mils and some instructions. So also in the bag comes with these little film pieces, probably PPF film, and it sticks on and covers those up. Once we get 2, fitment should be on point. Come on, where's the thread? Tape sticking out on the edges right here, and we're just checking the fitment. We got all our bolts tightened up back here. Just 4 of them. Yo! Look at that fitment. I need to clean this up a little bit more. It looks like Lightning McQueen. All I can think right now is it needs lowered and it needs rear A-spec. It doesn't fit that aggressive look yet, you know? Yo, peep it. This angle right here, bro. Like a different car from the back. And the heel toe sticker. go over the pricing that Artwork Body Shop has on their website. Unfortunately, the 3rd gen one isn't up on the website, but we can see that the new Integra Acura TLX, this one goes for $340, this one goes for $330, and this one goes for $450. I think they're gonna price the gloss black one and the matte black one at like $340, the same as these ones, and the carbon one's gonna be like $450. They're based out of Canada, so a lot of times their pricing is included with their shipping, especially out here to the US. Endless RPM, $385 carbon fiber for their duck lip. So I think Artwork Body Shop is a little bit more expensive, but if I add a cart, $421 fixed shipping price from Endless RPM, all relatively the same. If you want to get entered to win a gloss black one from Artwork Body Shop, easiest way to get entered, check out the link down below. Order a sticker, you're automatically entered. All the information will be on the website. Check out the link down below. In exactly 1 week after this video drops, we'll be doing the raffle. So stick around. Super easy, guys. Check out the links down below and enter for your chance to win one of these bad boys. I like how flat it is right here. The other styles, they kind of come up because it sticks and hangs around this piece right here and takes up some of your trunk. I need to clean up a little bit of residue down here, but we'll worry about that later. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And that's gonna do it for today's video. Artwork Body Shop, link in description for all your splitter needs, and now rear spoiler for the 3rd gen TL. Check out the link to enter the raffle for your chance to win one. Only $5, guys, and you get a sticker with it, so everybody wins. It's been another episode with the MRP. Stay tuned for episode 5. I think next we gotta lower it. I think that might be next. I don't know how I keep forgetting. We gotta remove this rear tow hook. We're trying to take shots of this car and I'm just like, what's the square doing down here?